Hi friends, well today we will see how to run our very first model in machine learning. I am using Python 3.5.2 version. You can download any version. And I am also using PyCharm editor. In the PyCharm editor, in file setting, by clicking this plus sign, you can install different packages that is needed to run a particular application. So here you can see it's a few line code only. Import pandas as PD. Pandas is a package that I have installed. I have created a alias in this line as PD. Import sklearn. This is pandas is basically used for manipulating and importing data. Sklearn is a machine learning package that is needed to run machine learning package. Next line is Titanic_data. This is a user defined name. I am using here Titanic dataset that is freely available in different UCI or any web repository. So I have giving the path here pd.read CSV. The data is in the form of CSV, that's why it is like that. Print Titanic_data.keys. This line will print the column names. Next is y is equal to Titanic data survived. In y variable, I am giving the value of a column that is a class variable, that is a class column that is with the name of survived. So this dataset is basically having different type of information of the passengers, and last column was survived, whether the person was will be survived or not based on the age, health conditions. The prediction is there in this machine learning model. So now y contains the class variable or dependent variable, we can say, and in x variable we are having all the columns on the basis of which we want to predict our class variable. So Titanic_data is the name of variable we have chosen for the data set. Dot drop is a function which will drop this particular survived column. Hence all other columns will be entitled in x variable. So now we can predict x variable. Now we can predict the value of y variable based on the x variable conditions. Next line is from sklearn.model_selection import train test split. This is a line basically you need to remember to import the test train and split. Next line is x_train comma x_test. Please watch the very first video how classification happens. So we are aware that there must be training data and test data, and we need to predict on the basis of these data. So this is the syntax how to choose training and test data. X comma y. Test size is 0.3. that means 70% data will be considered in the rows. 70% data will be considered as a training data, and rest 30% of the data would be considered as a test data. Next is from sklearn.svm import svc. So we are importing the support vector machine model algorithm or model. You can choose any other machine learning model that is defined in sklearn library. So we have given the name of the model as a model is equal to svc. We need to fit the model, then compile the model. Things, yeah, it will give us the basically accuracy of the model and confusion matrix. So let's run the model. See, we can see that confusion matrix is okay. First of all, we have printed the keys, so all the column names have been printed here. due to our command Titanic _data.keys. Here you can see that we have achieved the accuracy of 68%, and as we have printed the confusion matrix, so it is giving us true positive, false positive, false negative, true positive, true negative data as well.